So the engineering program at HBU is intended to train young engineers for industry jobs. That translates academically into each one of the 4 years a student has in the engineering department. They'll be working on a different project.
At HPU, we take pride in giving you the experience of being involved in interdisciplinary engineering. You're basically thrown in the mix with the other students, and we teach you basic skills, soldering, for an example, 3D printing, machining as well, how to, plan your project. And then finally, when you go into the junior year, you apply it towards an actual project.
Aloha everyone, I'm Cassandra Silva Santiago. I am a year 3 electrical engineering student, and today we are at the rocket launch site. So my role was basically building the entire subscale rocket.
This thing was able to connect to that, and through this we're also able to track the location, altitude, velocity, how many G's it reaches. It gives us a whole trajectory of the flight.
Where is he?
Right there. It was ultimately just a solid project, hands-on experience. I had a small team, which sometimes you're going to be faced with.
We're planning to continue growing this program, seeing how we can be more efficient in rocket production.
Our engineering department consists of 3 majors. We have electrical engineering, biomedical engineering, and biotech. The reason we chose these 3 over traditional engineering fields, say like mechanical or chemical or civil, is that these are the fields we feel where the most change is going to occur in the next 5 or 10 years. By providing fields where students have this interest, it gives them the opportunity for a better return on their tuition investment.
My name's Patricia Young, and this is the Biomechanics Lab. The goal in this lab is to look at pose estimation or markerless motion capture compared to traditional motion capture technology. We're very fortunate to have a system of this caliber here at HPU, so students are really learning to use cutting-edge technology from even in their sophomore year.
Biotech engineering is a relatively new program. You don't find them in a lot of universities. And it's all about us as engineers being able to control microbes and getting them to do what we want them to do. So something exciting that we're working on that a lot of the students have been very engaged with is building this 3D printer to be able to print tissues. So if you look closely here, you can actually see it printing the extracellular matrix material, which you would use for tissue engineering. I would say that the student-professor relationship here in the program is very close. We've been building a lot of content and engaging the students in a lot of research activities.
I have interest in biomedical engineering as well as, making devices, so bioinstrumentation. There's a marsh in Kailua called Hamakua Marsh. There, the idea is to deploy sensors. What's in the water? Is there harmful bacterial content, metallic content? What kind of turbidity are we looking at? And understand, how to apply that to monitor the water quality.
My name is Jarrett. I'm from Waipahu, Hawaii, and I'm a junior at Hawaii Pacific University. So the main reason why I chose HBU over other colleges on the island is because of the smaller class sizes. I feel, especially now in my 3rd year, it's a lot easier to contact my professors. A lot of them do teach multiple courses, especially in my college. I end up having them multiple times for the past 2-3 years, and it's really nice to have them. I'm so grateful for them.